Hello, real estate professionals. Welcome back. Ever feel frustrated by underquoting, where properties are advertised well below their real value? It wastes buyers' time and erodes trust across the board. Today, we'll show you how the business model canvas can transform underquoting from a persistent headache into an opportunity for transparent, fair market practices. Our hypothetical real estate firm found that underquoting leads to buyer distrust, wasted resources, and negative market perceptions. Regulatory efforts haven't fixed it. The practice remains widespread. We needed a structured approach to ethically price properties and rebuild credibility. Enter the business model canvas. The business model canvas is a one-page template that clarifies your entire model at a glance: who your customers are, what you offer them, how you deliver value, and how you'll earn revenue. Here's how we applied it to fix underquoting in real estate. Value proposition: transparent, accurate pricing that builds trust and streamlines the buying experience. Customer segments: buyers, sellers, and honest agents who want to avoid misleading price tactics. Channels: real estate listings, ads, direct agent communication, designed to display real market values instead of teaser prices. Customer relationships: ongoing trust, built on honesty and education around actual property value. Revenue streams: commissions, listing fees, subscription for advanced valuation tools, emphasizing that ethical practice pays off long term. Key resources: accurate market data, trained valuation specialists, and compliance experts who keep everyone honest. Key activities: regular property valuations, agent training on ethical standards, and ongoing monitoring to avoid underquoting. Key partners: regulatory bodies, real estate associations, and tech providers who help deliver reliable data. Cost structure: investing in better tech, training programs, and possible fines for breaches, though we aim for zero compliance failures. With this BMC, our firm refocuses on true pricing. We educate sellers on the long-term impact of underquoting. We empower buyers with clear, data-backed property valuations. We train agents to avoid using artificially low prices as clickbait. By aligning every component of our model, from the tools we use to the partnerships we forge, we make it easier to maintain ethical pricing and boost overall market trust. Our BMC approach also defines KPIs, like valuation accuracy. Are we matching real sale prices within a small margin? Customer satisfaction: do buyers feel they got honest listings and fair negotiations? Agent adoption: how many are using our valuation tools and abiding by new pricing policies? We also run interviews to gather feedback on how accurate pricing influences buyer comfort and seller confidence, feeding those insights back into the canvas. Following the BMC, we've mapped an action plan. Phase 1: train agents on new valuation tools and compliance. Phase 2: integrate real-time data for property listings to ensure honest pricing updates. Phase 3: partner with regulators and associations to champion ethical standards. Phase 4: expand to new markets, replicating the success and maintaining zero tolerance for underquoting. This ensures we don't just talk transparency, we institutionalize it. We'll share our updated business model canvas in a concise, interactive workshop, demonstrating how each block aligns to a solution that ditches underquoting for good. By showing real metrics, real plans, and real results, we'll have the backing of agents, leadership, and even customers. And that's how you turn a single-page model into a rallying point for ethical real estate. So, if underquoting is dragging your firm down, the business model canvas might be your blueprint for ethical, transparent operations. It keeps every stakeholder on the same page, from the newest agent to the top executive. If you found this helpful, subscribe and check out AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3 for more ways to reshape real estate with data-driven tools. Here's to honest pricing and happier customers.